In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CostMiner's drawing tools, a resourceful feature designed to streamline your construction planning process by making measurement and quantification straightforward and efficient. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to CostMiner's official platform. This is where the journey begins, with your first destination being simply logging into CostMiner. Go ahead and click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, your next move will be to select the project you're currently working on. Remember, while CostMiner might not be a design tool per se, its drawing tools are invaluable for assessing construction plan costs by offering a precise measurement mechanism. The next step involves bringing your construction plans into CostMiner. Look for the Import Plan option. This feature allows you to upload your design files, be it a DWG or a PDF, directly into the platform. Once your plans are safely uploaded, find the Add button, which enables you to start working on your project in earnest. Now, an essential part of setting up is calibrating the drawing scale, which you can do by selecting the ruler icon. Accurate scaling is crucial for precise measurements and cost estimation, so take your time to make sure this is set correctly. When you're ready to start measuring, click on a sample area from your plan that you want to assess. This will allow you to make direct measurements. Simply click on one end of a line and then navigate to the other end of the section you're measuring. This process starts defining the area you're going to work on, prepping it for quantification. Now it's time to input a specific measurement. Type it in carefully, making sure it's accurate. After entering the data, click on Apply to save this measurement. As we progress, the Trace Area option is next. Before utilizing it, ensure that in your item list, the type is set to Materials. This is key to ensuring your measurements translate accurately into your project specifications. When you click Trace Area, you can start clicking on each corner of the room or space you're measuring. This will help you get an accurate calculation of the square footage, a critical component for comprehensive construction cost estimation. Continue clicking around the perimeter by marking every corner, creating a full polygon of the area you're measuring. After completing this process, the measurement you've just recorded should be visible in your Item Estimates section, ensuring that all your work seamlessly integrates into your cost plans. With these steps, you've now mastered the essential functions of CostMiner's drawing tools, setting the foundation for more efficient and effective project management. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps as often as needed to become proficient in using these valuable tools to their fullest potential.